Look closely at this footprint. It was made on July 20, 1969. But here is the mind-bending truth. Long after the Earth's continents have smashed together and human civilization is dust, this exact imprint will still look completely untouched 100 million years from now. It defies everything we know about how time works. On Earth, a footprint in the sand lasts minutes. A concrete monument might last a few thousand years. But on the Moon, we have accidentally created the longest-lasting archaeological site in the known universe. Scientists are currently deeply divided on what will ultimately destroy them. Stay with me here, because what you're about to see changes everything about how we leave our mark on the cosmos. To understand this impossible permanence, we have to look at our own planet. Earth is a living, breathing recycling machine. Wind, rain, tectonic shifts, and oceans constantly erase the past. But this is where things get strange. The Moon is essentially a dead world. It has no atmosphere. No wind to blow the dust. No rain to wash it away. No active volcanoes to pave over the surface. When Neil Armstrong stepped off the lunar module, he stepped into a perfect, frozen vacuum. But is it truly frozen? If you're fascinated by the hidden mechanics of our universe, make sure to hit that follow button right now. What I'm about to reveal next about the violent, invisible forces attacking those footprints is exactly why thousands of space enthusiasts are joining Deep Space Secrets every single day. You won't want to miss this. Let's rewind. For decades, people assumed the Apollo landing sites were sitting in total, peaceful silence. But in 2009, NASA launched the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, the LRO. It was equipped with cameras so powerful they could see objects the size of a microwave from 30 miles above the lunar surface. When the first images beamed back to Earth, scientists were stunned. Not only were the descent stages still sitting there, but the dark, winding astronaut trails, the literal footprints, were perfectly intact. But the LRO also revealed a terrifying, invisible war happening right on top of them. Here is the leading explanation for what is actually happening. The Moon isn't completely static. Without an atmosphere to protect it, the lunar surface is constantly being bombarded by micrometeorites, tiny space rocks traveling at an unbelievable 60,000 miles per hour. Think of it like a cosmic sandblaster. Every single day, the Moon is hit by tons of this microscopic shrapnel. Over a period of 10 to 100 million years, this incredibly slow, violent sandblasting will churn the lunar soil, erasing the footprints one microscopic grain at a time. It's a satisfying answer, right? But it raises a much bigger, controversial question. But here's where it gets crazy. Just when scientists thought they had it figured out, new data threw a massive wrench into the timeline. Enter the electrostatic dust theory. The sun constantly blasts the Moon with radiation, giving the lunar soil a heavy electrical charge. Astrophysicists now believe this charge can actually cause the razor-sharp lunar dust to levitate, creating invisible, floating dust storms at the terminator line, where day meets night. Could these electric storms fill in the footprints far faster than micrometeorites? Suddenly, the 100 million year timeline is up for fierce debate. So, I genuinely want to know what you think about this. We have two very different cosmic forces at play. Option A, the slow, multi-million year cosmic sandblasting from micrometeorites. Option B, invisible, levitating electric dust storms erasing human history much faster than we predicted. Or maybe option C, will future space tourists end up learning them first? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below. I read all of them, and this debate is exactly what makes our community so incredible. Which force wins? By the end of this video, you'll understand why this matters on a massive scale. This isn't just about footprints in gray dirt. This affects how we see our place in the universe. We are the only known species to leave biological evidence of our existence on another celestial body. If a highly advanced alien civilization were to visit our solar system a million years after humans are gone, the Earth might show absolutely no signs that we were ever here. Tectonic plates will have swallowed our greatest cities. But the moon? The moon will serve as a pristine, untouched museum of humanity. Those footprints are the ultimate monument to human curiosity. Proof that we looked up, built impossible machines, and dared to touch the stars. But the story of our lunar footprints is far from over. Scientists around the world are now gearing up for the next great leap. With NASA's Artemis program, humanity is returning to the moon, and this time, we are staying. We are sending advanced rovers, and eventually, the Lunar Gateway space station. These new missions will give us unprecedented, up-close data on the lunar environment. We'll finally be able to measure exactly how much micrometeorite degradation has happened since 1969. Even more exciting, international space agencies are actively drafting space heritage treaties to protect the Apollo landing sites. They recognize that these footprints are the most sacred historical sites we have. Science is progressing at lightning speed, and we are about to unlock answers to mysteries that have baffled us for over half a century. But these immortal footprints aren't the only impossible mystery hiding in our solar system. What if I told you there's a hexagon-shaped storm on Saturn that entirely defies the laws of fluid dynamics? Or that the James Webb Space Telescope just spotted something impossible at the edge of the universe that is making physicists question the age of time itself? You won't believe what we are uncovering in our next video. Thank you for exploring the cosmos with us today. Remember, every time you look up at the glowing moon in the night sky, there is a piece of human history up there, frozen in time, waiting for us to return. The universe is full of secrets, and we're just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up, and I will see you in the next transmission.